Click calculus. You notice that L light lit up, and that looks like the number one. That's funny. Calculus 1. Okay, whatever. 9, 9, 2. That's what we need to do, and we will be through. We got the limit as x approaches -6 coming in from the left-hand side as x minus 6 over. Okay, let's write that down, everybody. Get your pencil, get your pen, get your stick, whatever it takes, a rock. Maybe you got a rock and you're writing on the wall outside somewhere or something. I don't know. It doesn't matter how you do it, just do it. All right. I got it written down. If I don't write that down, I shall forget it. We got the limit. And of course, we just write three letters instead of IT. Math guys, we're math ladies and gentlemen, and actually it could be math purple penguins. Oh my God. Purple penguins. Anyway, if we got any purple penguins on here, we got x minus. Man, I tell you what. What's this world coming to? 36. I just don't think enough people are studying math. Everybody's on, I don't know what they're doing these days. Um, hmm, what are we doing? I done forgot. Okay, -6, -6, -6. Is -6 a vertical asymptote? That's the question. Does a vertical asymptote exist at -6? Well, if you put -6 in right here, what do we get? We get 0 in the bottom and a number that's not 0 in the top. And so that is a vertical asymptote. All right, vertical asymptote. So we're looking at the behavior of the graph. Is it going to be positive infinity or negative infinity? That's the question. Oh, I'm so glad this is the last problem of this section. I've just got 900,000 more problems to go. Let's see, x minus 6, and if you think I'm joking, I'm not. X squared minus 36. But I can do it. I just wish I've had all the math problems I worked in the last 10 years on the internet. I'd probably done filled up the entire hard drive of Google. More than likely. Oh my gosh. We're going to look at -6. Let's see, -6. We're coming in from the left-hand side, so let's try -7. And you know what? I think it helps out to kind of draw a picture anyway, even if it's not the whole picture. Let's see, here's -6, and we're coming in from the left-hand side, okay? And we got a vertical asymptote right here. So even if it's not the whole picture, we're just getting a part of it. At least we get some kind of idea of what's going on here. So we're interested to know, is the graph going up this direction or is it going down in this direction? And so what we're going to do here is I'm going to pick -7, which is just to the left of -6. That almost looks like -16 there, but it's not. And we're going to plug that in, plug it in, and hope we don't get electrocuted. -7 squared minus 36. Question is this going to be a positive or negative number? Well, the top is negative, and that's 49, and 49 minus 36 is positive. So we have positive number on bottom, and a negative over a positive is a negative number. So I'm going to bet all the pigeons in the loft that this limit is heading towards negative infinity. It's going downwards, down, down into the pits of hell, right? So there it is. Let's see what the script says. I shall hold my breath, and guess what? We're headed to negative infinity. Okay, so remember, um, this tells us the behavior of the graph. Okay, so let's keep that. Let's always keep that in mind. What's going on here? This is because infinity is a concept. It's not a number. It's just a concept. And this negative here tells us it's going downward. All right, so let's always keep that in mind. We are back at the home, and guess what? This is the last problem of this section. Thank goodness. Let's move on to something bigger and better. Anyway, your go-to math.com. You shall come here and practice your problems.